In this lecture of object oriented programming with C++, today we will discuss about another use of scope resolution operator. So in the previous lecture also we have seen one of the use of scope resolution operator. So to define the member function outside the class, we use scope resolution operator. This is one use. And another use is accessing global version of the variable. Like we can access the global version of the variable using this operator. So operator symbol is 2 : symbol, and we need to put the variable name. Like this we can access the global version of the variable. About this I have discussed in the previous lectures. Second use is to define the member function outside the class. So as we know that whatever the methods or function we are declaring or define inside a class, those are known as member function. And sometimes in some program we define the member function inside the class also, but when we use the function outside the class, or when we define the outside the class, in that case we need to use scope resolution operator, so that access will be provided from the class to the function. And the syntax is return type, class name, return type of the function, then class name we have created, then scope resolution operator, then function name. And for the function we can put some argument according to our program requirement, followed by a pair of curly bracket, and inside the curly bracket function body will be written. So this is the syntax. So let's discuss one example. So this is a small program, class and object program. So here we have declared IOStream class, included IOStream class, then using namespace std. Here we have taken a class demo, and inside the class demo we have taken 3 private member variable, out of which 2 are integer. So code and quantity are 2 integer variable which are private. Similarly, price is another float variable which is also private. And another public member function we have declared here. So remember, here we have declared here only. So we have declared the member function display under public inside the scope of the class, but the definition of this function is present outside the class. And here is the main function we have taken. So main function, within the pair of curly bracket we have created the object d for the demo class. Then we are calling this member function display using the object d dot display. So as soon as the compiler, as soon as the compiler will access this statement, the definition of the display function will be execute. So you can see here this display function is defined like this: void, which is the return type of the function, then demo is the class name demo, scope resolution operator, then function name. And inside the function we have not passed any argument or have not passed any parameter, that's why it is void. So function name is there. So inside the function scope we have taken 3 variable: code, quantity and price. So this variable we have taken, so this variable we can display in the form of output also. If you want to display it, you can display using cout statement, and when we will execute this program, this will show the output as 201, 5 and 30. So this is the main syntax here, how display function is called outside the class also. So we can execute this program using scope resolution operator. Thank you.